all, this is really simple, and this is a really cool catch can with a few design elements I've not seen before. So getting the plastic back on is really easy. Kind of take your glove off, you put one there. This little teeth up there at the end, just fit it into the teeth, as you can see, just like that. Set it down into place, it'll kind of snap into place just like that, and then quarter turn those 10 millimeters, put your plastic rivet back in. Go ahead and do the other side, put your vanity cover back on, and you're all done. The one quick last walkthrough, as you can see, everything's put to get back together. Looks really, really good. I really like this catch can. Again, what a cool feature with this dipstick right here, because as you can see, it's right here. You don't have to move anything, you just unscrew it when you want to check it. That is a really neat feature. So, checking your catch can is something you just want to do every once in a while. I usually do it about every oil change just to see how it's doing now, but with this dipstick it makes it even easier. So what a cool feature. As you can tell, this is an easy project you can do at home. You only need a few simple tools, and I'll have all those things listed in the video description. But all in all, this is really simple, and this is a really cool catch can with a few design elements I've not seen before. You know, you can customize it with a carbon fiber, you can add different colors if you want, and again, you've got that dipstick, which is really, really cool. So thank you so much to ADDW1 for making such a cool product. I've really enjoyed working with it. I would highly recommend this for your car if you've got this type of car to cut down on those concerns on residue and buildup in your motor. Please make sure to click subscribe and the little alarm bell. It makes a huge difference to my channel, and I'd really appreciate it. And I have a ton of content coming soon. I can't wait to bring it to you, and I'll see you on my next video.